Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally, Qwen has released Qwen 3.6 Plus preview model. Currently it is freely available on Open Router, and also this model is freely available inside Open Code. So if you go to this Open Code and here inside this drop down, you see that Qwen 3.6 Plus freely available. Now if I just write hi after selecting this model, just to show you that it is working, and this model is very fast, and here you see how can I help you today. And also I got to know that it is available on Open Code for freely available from their official post on Twitter. Now during preview they are giving this free access, and also Open Router giving the free access during this preview because they are gathering the feedback from the people that how this model is actually working. But now overall if you ask me that how this model, so this model have the really great capability in coding. So I have tested this model inside VS Code using this client, and I got this kind of output. You see that this is the output that I got. This is actually very amazing output, and the same kind of output I got from the GPT 5.4 also. And another model, if you go to this Open Code, and there you will find this Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro. Okay, where is this model? Yes, Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro. This is also freely available inside Open Code, and you know that this model code name was previously Hunter Alpha. So I previously also told you that Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro has the great capability to match with the GPT 5.4, and after this Mimo V2 Pro, if you can place any other model, then I will surely recommend you this Qwen 3.6 Plus preview model. Okay, because there is no that much of difference between the output of GPT 5.4 and this Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro and this 3.6 Plus. So the range and the order, if you ask me, first I will place the GPT 5.4 COD, and after that Xiaomi Mimo V2 Pro. There is a kind of 1% difference in accuracy, and after that Qwen 3.6 Plus preview model. And yesterday I made another video regarding this Qwen 3.5 Omni. This also another great model they released yesterday, and they released the Plus and Plus version. So these are actually multi-modal AI, but this 3.6 Plus is specifically made for the agentic behavior. So if you see, they have written these things that it delivers stronger reasoning and more reliable agentic behavior compared to the 3.5 series. And also, it excels in agentic coding and front-end development and complex problem solving. Okay, and we all know that Qwen 3.6 uh, and we all know that Qwen, all of the models are really good and great model, and also they have released all of the model previously as a open source. So if they publish this 3.6 plus model also as a open source, then it will be a great innovation in the open source community, or you can say a great contribution to the open source community. So open source community will get a great model from Qwen. And yes, I have tested it, and if you want to test it, then just go to this client or Rucode or kilocode extension and go to the settings and select this API provided as the open router, give the API key and select this model as this plus preview and this free version for the plan and act mode. And if you don't know how to get the API key, then I will give this link also in description. Go to this open router API key, and just click on this create, give a name here, click on this create button here, and you will get your API key. So paste that API key here, and you are good to go to use this model. Okay, and one thing is that this model is very fast model, very fast. Okay, so these are the things that I got from social media in, and also whatever I have tested. So yes, these are the information that I have found, and I have shared it with you. And if you are interested to include this model inside OpenClaw, then you can comment below. I will make another separate video on that. Okay. So yes, if you want to get this type of latest innovations, what are happening in AI, what are getting publishing, and for that, please make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video also if you found helpful. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.